Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and if your Ring doorbell looks like this, you probably have a smudged view just like I did. So this is what it looked like before we started this project. Today we're going to show you how to make it nice and clear. This is what it looked like once we were finished. All you really need for this is some car wax, a little buffer that goes into the end of a drill, and some sandpaper. So we're going to go ahead and take the pentalobe screwdriver that came with our Ring doorbell. On the bottom there's a little screw that we take out. So once you remove that screw, you can then pull the face plate off, and check the video description. I have full installs on the doorbell itself. And so now we're going to take 2000 grit sandpaper. This is really fine. It almost doesn't even feel like sandpaper to the touch. And we're going to go ahead and start going back and forth right over where that camera is. You'll see the white come off. And after that, we're going to just dip the front of our buffer into some car wax, and we're going to buff this out. I'll put links in the video description where you can pick these items up that I'm using today. But we're going to go ahead, and the longer you spend on this, the better it's going to come out. We just want to make sure that you don't hit the doorbell button when you're doing this and break it. And you can already see it's starting to clear up that fogged look that we had. Okay, it's looking a lot better here, and once you get it buffed out pretty well, we can add more of the car wax. We're just going to add another thick coat by hand. Just kind of dab this on here, let it cure to where it turns that pasty look, and then we're going to wipe it off with our rag, and that just adds yet another coating. So that's all it really takes in order to clear this up, and you can pull your Ring doorbell app up and look at it as you're going to see if you're satisfied with the picture yet. Once you are, put the cover back on. We put the screw back into the bottom and tighten it back down. And hopefully your view is as clear as mine. So please check the video description. I have the full install of the doorbell itself, as well as the Ring floodlight, which was a very good addition to the home as well, and a full playlist on all the other things that I've done that are similar to this. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and check that playlist in the video description. Thanks, guys.